Hi guys, welcome again. Long time no see. Actually, didn't have time to unbox anything new lately. I've been waiting for some planes, but they are not coming because issues in the factory country. I mean, in China, they are having issue with this COVID now. So I got this one from Hobby King. Very expensive shipping, very expensive tax. I have to pay. This fixed setup guide. This is the Avios C-130 Hercules on the Coast Guard colors. Let's see what is inside the box. Haven't opened it yet, so it's going to be all new for me also. Here we go. As somebody suggested, I will make a clear shot of what is inside. Okay, we have the 4 propellers. These are really nice propellers because they look quite scale. Okay, we're going to start taking out the very dangerous tape. This tape can destroy the finish of your model if they stick to your paint. Okay, here we go. Look at this, huh? Propellers like candies, like candies, instead of candies. And you see, I like this propeller because they're really scale, very nice, very wide paddles, the built-in spinner, 2 counterclockwise, these are clockwise, this is counterclockwise. Okay, what else we have? So far the packaging looks good. A lot of padding here and there. Okay, let's go to this part. I'm going to see one of the wings. Okay, here we go. Tape everywhere, dangerous tape everywhere. Once this tape gets into your paint, you have a headache. You have a headache and try to find a paint that goes like this. Okay, let's take a look at the wing. As you can see, the wing is quite narrow, it's a very nice scale. I know this plane, I saw it fly before, and I know that, okay, you need to fly at certain speed, right? It's not that you are going to fly too sporty on this one. You need to go on a certain speed, a little bit out of scale. This is quite heavy. Only the wing is very heavy. Not very heavy, but it's quite heavy. You have the aileron and the flaps operated by 2 servos. This is kind of a forward flap. You see that we operate in opposite direction, like a fowler. Good. And this one is really nice. You see, it's really like a fowler flap. Very nice. Really, really nice. Okay. What else we have? We have a very heavy spar. So this one is most probably fiberglass. No carbon fiber. The carbon fiber should be much lighter. More fiber here. More tape. other wing. Then I'm not going to repeat that. Okay. We go the biggest part, the fuselage. Fuselage is really nice. Really nice. You can see a multi-connector for the wings. Really nice. You need to worry about 6-7 wires coming out of that. Here is the access hatch. This works like this. Okay. Very strong magnets and only one small hook to open it. You can see you have XT60 connector and a very small UVEC apparently, or maybe sequencer, I'm not sure. All the wiring is very neat. It's all together with the inside this slotted tube, and that's it. You can see some details. You can see inside the fuselage is huge, and of course at the back you have the servo operated door, the cargo door. On here if you have enough time, you can put some paratroopers to jump from this door, or maybe you can drop some candy. It's up to you. Very nice. Okay, this is also the multi-connector for the tail section, rudder and elevators, the tubes for the reinforcement, and what else you can see here? One strobe light here. The cockpit is clear, so it's nice. You can see the inside, very nice. The landing gear. This is really nice. I will operate the landing gear in a moment because I really like it, the way the doors work. The doors open really nice. Very beautiful. Okay, let's take a look at the tail. Okay, here we go. The tail is really solid, right? It's going to just plug in the multi-connector on the back, and that's it. Just need to add the two reinforcement here, and that's it. Here you have the connector for the rudder, already the elevator servos already here, already connected, and all of them go into the multi-connector. Really nice, really neat. Very nice plane. Okay, now the last part is the rudder. Rudder is really nice. Elizabeth City, 50 years of Hercules, really nice. And the hinge is scale hinge. Is not just the exposed hinge. It has this shape you cannot see the gap. A gapless hinge, really nice. All fastened with screws. Right. So no problems of gluing or maintaining. That as they should be with all planes now, because some planes you glue the rudder or the elevator, and then when one servo dies, you need to unglue and rip off the nice finishing and so on. Okay, Other than that, we don't have much to see here. I'm trying to locate the hardware. Let's see. Ah, okay. We have fuel tanks, actually the fuel tanks, two. Magnets, with magnets to the wings. Good. Nice touch. Can't find the hardware. Okay, under the spar. Okay, these are the back plates of the spinners. Okay, here is all the hardware. Control rods, the nose, the spars for the tail, and some other stuff. And one more. What we have here? Okay, this is foam details for the fuselage to give a better appearance. Really nice, really good. Avios makes good planes, but sometimes the electronics chosen are not really good. But hopefully this one the electronics is going to be good. Okay, that's it. Give me a second, I will prepare the retract test. Okay, it's all set to test the landing gear. Let's open it. Okay, the doors are opening, so the sequence is working. Really nice. I like the movement of this cover, you see, and how this one opens on the side, and then sequencer opens, close, sequencer closes. Really nice, really nice, really nice. Again, doors open, landing gear down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wheels, strong foam, really, really nice. Take a look at here, and also the lights are on when the door is open. Close, shut down. Really neat. I like it. I really like it. Very good feature for this plane. This plane is for a friend, and very soon we will be doing the maiden flight. We're going to share also the video of the maiden flight, so stay tuned. We're going to come back very soon with the maiden flight, maybe not this weekend, maybe the next weekend, because we have some holidays around, and people is going on holiday, going traveling and going everywhere. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to support my channel. We are going to bring a very big jet very soon. We are going to do the unboxing or the setting up of a very big turbine jet. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.